Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to talk about the natural and Ayurvedic remedy for cough. The air passages of the lungs are lined with the cells secreting mucus, which normally traps the particles of dust. When these membranes are infected and inflamed, the secretion of mucus is increased and the lining of the air passage is irritated. Coughing is the action by which the excessive mucus is driven out. In the process of coughing, a dry hacking sound is produced and it is very common condition affecting the persons of all ages. Coughing is a vital body defense mechanism. It ejects everything from germs to foreign bodies from the lungs and windpipe. If a person is unable to cough, which may happen sometimes, for instance after a surgery or a chest injury, the pneumonia could become a serious threat. First, a person who is going to cough, draw a deep breath in. Then he closes his glottis and contracts his muscles. This builds up a pressure in the chest. Then he suddenly opens his glottis so that there is an explosive discharge of air which sweeps through the air passage and carries with it the excessive secretion, or in some cases foreign metals, which has irritated the larynx, trachea or bronchi. Cough may be caused by inflammation of the larynx or pharynx. It may also be caused by digestive disturbance. A cough can be developed in the chest due to weather conditions or seasonal changes. However, the real cause of this disorder is clogging of bronchial tube with the waste matter. This has been brought by wrong feeding habits. The reason for higher incidence of cough during winters than in other seasons is that an average person eat more catarrh forming foods such as white bread, meat, sugar, porridge, puddings and pies in the colder months of the year. Overclothing with heavy undergarments during this period also prevents the proper aeration of skin. Now let us talk about the natural and Ayurvedic remedy to get rid of the problem of cough. You need 3 ingredients to prepare the remedy. The first ingredient is Indian gooseberry powder. The second ingredient is licorice roots powder. And the third ingredient is mishri powder, or you can say crystal sugar powder. The images of the ingredients is right on your screen and you can also check the description for other names of the ingredients. To prepare the remedy, take all the powders in equal quantity and mix them properly. Then take 5 gram or 1 teaspoon of this mixture twice in a day with empty stomach and with sufficiently warm water. And this remedy is also very beneficial for sore throat if you take the mixture with hot milk. Follow this remedy from 1 week to 2 weeks according to your need. Alright guys, hope you like the remedy. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to share your experience of following this remedy in the comment section. And for more natural and Ayurvedic remedies, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.